God. No, you gotta be kidding me. Lord. Oh. John Cena had both men up, and there's the attitude adjustment.
Look at the size of this man. They're standing everywhere. Oh my, he's got it.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! My God! My God! John Cena, the FU 500-pound man. Uppercut by Cesaro again. Look at the power! You gotta be kidding me! You gotta be kidding me! Cesaro wins the battle royal.
In the world today. Look at this. He's
Holy shoulders! No way! Look at the power! This is 400 pounds. Oh my God! You gotta be kidding me! Oh my God! Oh my God! That is the most amazing feat of strength I think I've ever seen. Look at this! Look at this!
This could be his biggest feat of strength ever. Oh my goodness!
God, you gotta be kidding me! Ryback,
No way.
Ryback with Big Show up on his shoulders. So shocked to Big Show. Are you kidding?
Like the biggest athlete in pro sports is
And Big Show misses with the boot. Brock Lesnar, the champion. Oh my God, a belly throw. I cannot believe it.
Cesaro going to be able to get the neutralizer on the nearly 400-pound Khali. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
What on earth? Oh my God! The ring just imploded.
Wow! Top rope, a 500-pound superplex. Oh my God! What the hell? Look at!
You gotta be kidding me.
No way.
His third German suplex to the Big Show.
But Lesnar! Wow!
Oh my God! Look at the strength! Look at the power! That's the World Heavyweight Champion he's got up there! The awesomeness of Goldberg! Manhandling!
Ducking underneath it. Look at oh my God! No! With Big Show up on his shoulders.
He's walking around with it.
Can you believe
No
this?
way.
F5!
Oh, look out! Oh man, look at this!
Raiders 400 plus.
Look at that! Boy, he pressed him! He did it, JR! He pressed him! Hardcore matchup. Drink! That is a scary strength of the spike! Oh my God, look at this!
Big Show did it! Big Show just tripped over that 4,400-pound chicken. Look at Lesnar! Lesnar with Mark Henry up on his shoulders! You gotta be kidding me! That's 400 plus pounds!
No, not on the
No!
floor.
No! Five to Henry! Five to head! God, 400 plus pounds up on his shoulders. Brock Lesnar with Mark Henry in the air. He's going for the F5. Through the table. And F5.
It's the last time you saw Big Papa Pump.
Look at that!
Up there.
He's pressing him!
5, 6, 7. Get a workout.
On the charge! Luger, ducking out of the way, nailing Yoko's in with a 6-inch steel plate in the forearm, and from there, yes! Yes!
Lesnar with a shot to the gut. No way. No way. Vertical suplex to the 500-pounder.
Did he get his
Yes way. Neutralizer to the 400-pound. Mark Henry. Oh my God. World's strongest slam. What the hell? The referee never saw it. No. Look at Cena. Cena. The cover. Lesnar said that beating people up makes me happy. Well, he's got to be smiling ear to ear tonight. Did you see that? And look at this.
No way.
No way. No way. Goodness. Oh, Big Show. My God, what the hell's Strowman doing? Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Again. A thunderous power slam. Ryback going to march around the ring.
This is impressive.
Shell shock to the great Khali.
Once again, Cena blocked!
Oh my God, he's got him up. No way. No way. He did it. A 500-pound FU. Lesnar into the ring. And 5 in the house.
can't do it. Can Goldberg?
No.
Mark Henry's over 400 pounds.
Even Goldberg can't do this.
My God, jackhammer! Jackhammer!
Orton, rhythm a skull and dog. Oh my God!
Oh my God! Look at the power!
Oh my God!
No way! Jackson looking for the torture rack.
Can you believe this? 400 pounds!
Maybe they're trying to impress Mr. McMahon.
Yes, that's it!
And the tombstone!
Man!
Sheamus countering.
No way.
Look at Sheamus!
Oh, man.
Kidding me? No way. No way.
Look at this. Roman Reigns with Mark Henry up at his shoulders.
Wow.
Oh, and a Samoan drop.
Possibly! Oh my
Oh, yes, he
Lord!
can.
He
The
is
Undertaker
gonna
kept
tombstone him!
The Undertaker's got Vader up. Look at this tombstone pile driver.
And this is wide open! Straight to Mark Henry! Are you kidding me?
Mark Henry, the world's strongest man. With the world's strongest slam to Khali.
Oh my God, he just ripped the door off its hinges. Cena! My God, the strength! Can Cena do it?
No!
Oh, Kane, trying to take advantage quickly.
How strong is
Tombstone!
Whoa!
Tombstone! Tombstone!
To do this! Oh man!
Mahal and Slater.
Impossible!
A double shell shock. Ring.
What? Rock! Rock bottom! Rock bottom!
Howard, look at Brock Lesnar. Lesnar with a belly to belly.
The audacity, he's just going for it.
He's got to show up in his
He's
shoulders.
got it.
You gotta be
He's got
kidding
it.
me.
Unbelievable.
Shell shock. Shell shock.
No way.
No. Pop-up power bomb. Are you kidding?
He's got him up again! How is he doing this? He's marching!
Wow.
Shell shock, man!
Can he do it? Lift the 500-pounder up. He does it. Big Show's in trouble.
Unbelievable!
Attitude adjustment by Cena. Two grown men on the back of
Up on his shoulders! Are you
Wow.
kidding me? Look at Cena!
Say he's dominating, but he sure as hell holding his own. And oh, the power!
You got me!
The play slam!
Ryback. Shell shock.
Look at this!
No. Come on, Tenzai. Get down. Do something.
Can Cena do it? Oh, yes!
You could not ask for this match to start off any better. The Rock dropped on those ribs on the steel barricade.
You gotta be kidding me. Wait a minute!
Oh my God, out of the steel steps. Mark Henry with Big Show up. World's strongest slam out of the steel. Oh my gosh.
Whoa!
Mark
What in the
Henry,
world?
the world's strongest man.
He just ripped the cage door off his hinges!
In all kinds of trouble. But now Lesnar back to his feet.
Cole, look at this.
Look at the strength of that animal.
How powerful.
The midsection. Oh, five. Look at how powerful. Connects. Now again going to the AA. Trying to get
He's got
Strowman
him up.
He's got Braun Strowman up. Cena's got him up. Can he deliver the AA to Strowman? He does. AA to Braun Strowman, who
Struck a chord with Brock Lesnar.
And look at Lesnar with an F5 to the Giant. Strowman still on his feet. Cena looking for an AA. Look at the power of Cena.
Stop
an
it.
AA.
Stop
Under the
it.
steps. Strongest slam. John Cena
Oh
gets
my
him
God.
up. Cena gets him up. On his shoulders.
The AA!
The attitude adjustment. Look for the choke slam.
Blocked by Sheamus!
Sheamus has got him. He's got him up. He's got him up.
White noise.
White noise. Look at Cena.
No way. No way.
450 pounds.
That's a giant.
A 385-pounder up on his shoulders. And he does his thing.
get him on?
The power
No.
drop. Cover. It could very well happen. It's Big Show again.
Stir any dissension or anything.
Wow. Samoa drop by Reigns. Look at the power of Reigns. Into the Samoa drop.
The ring, literally through the ring.
Look at this again.
Reigns going to the Samoa drop.
Fire.
Can we hear that?
Oh, look at this.
tried earlier. He's got him up.
Wow.
He's got Strowman up.
Incredible. Absolutely incredible. Went after Miz, and Ryback taking advantage.
Maybe
He's
not.
got Big Show up for the shell shock. Oh, look at that. Oh, my gosh.
Sheamus. That is impressive.
White noise.
Oh my gosh. Miss.
Look at this. White noise. Sheamus from behind. Now he's got the big man up. 400. Wow. 50 pounds. White noise. White noise.
The Big Show is pulling the Titantron. If that thing falls, it's going to fall on a hell of a lot of people. Can you believe this?
It's reporting for work.
Another German suplex by
The Big Show still standing. Oh no. Oh my God. Look at the power of pain. Have you ever seen that before in your life?
able to deliver the Punjabi punch. And look at Mark Henry.
You gotta be kidding me.
Coming down. Apollo Crews standing moves. Literally halfway across the room. To the top rope. Mark Henry back to his
Thought
feet.
he was going to be the heartbreak.
Oh, man.
I don't know if this can be done twice.
It's called the giant swing. This is all swing.
Look at this.
That's a giant.
That's him. He said he was going to do it. He's doing it. The choke slam. Oh my God.
Ryback.
And he keeps marching around with him. Ryback making a statement. Shell shock.
Taylor ringside, and now it's Brock Lesnar with Strowman up on his shoulder. And and through the table. Brock Lesnar.
No way. No, my God.
Running powerbomb. Holy shit. Oh my God. Oh my God.
No way.
Get the hell out of the way. Get out of the way.